Ayubowan Vanakkam YouTube. In 2001, UNESCO adopted the Universal Declaration of Cultural Diversity, and in December 2002, the United Nations General Assembly, in its resolution 57 by 249, declared May 21st to be the World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development, which is today. Therefore, I thought of making a video after so long because I feel this video is very important, and I invite all of you not to skip at least a single second. And I feel very humble and proud as everyone who's watching this video, as we share the same love, the love of country. And this form of expression has given me the most extraordinary life. I don't know what I would be without it. Let me explain you why with a small experience. I am living in Italy, in the city of Napoli, with my father alone. Nearly 3 months ago, my father had a small cough. Due to the current pandemic situation, and as my father is a heart patient, we were a little worried. But the boss of my father said, it's just the normal flu, don't worry, come to work, we are in the mask, everything is fine because this is the season, people do get cough. But in reality, something was not correct. Therefore, without giving him the benefit of doubt, we thought it would be better if we do at least the rapid test for COVID, and we did. Unfortunately, my father's result came back positive. As soon as we came to know he was positive, isolated ourselves with the remaining food that were enough only for 3 to 4 days. And trust me, the situation is very difficult to handle, and staying alone is not easy. Therefore, I request all of you to get the vaccination done as soon as possible, because the outcomes are not advantageous all the time. Anyhow, and as soon as we get to know about the results, we informed everyone who were in our friend circle immediately, asked them to take the test and check with their health status. I was worried that we have to quarantine without proper food and medication, so on, but within 3 hours of time, just 3 hours, 3 hours of time, people started visiting us with all the necessary stuff. And they came as soon as possible they could. For example, Askar uncle, who is a Muslim, Amala auntie, who is a Catholic, Krishna uncle, who is a Hindu, Upali uncle, who is a Buddhist, and so many other people were bringing us food for the entire period of our quarantine time. On this video, I would like to thank every single individual who supported us and making us feel so privileged. In reality, not only us, not only me and my father, but all the Sri Lankans are in a way so privileged to be Sri Lankans, because since the very beginning of the Sri Lankan civilization, we have been helping the people who were in need despite of language, religion and race. We wanted to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We didn't want to hate and discriminate one another. We welcomed everyone. Our beautiful country had room for everyone and rich and could provide for everyone. The way of life was free and beautiful. But we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned our souls. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and we feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be violent, none will be lost. Our mobile phones and the internet have brought us together. We are building online communities, but we are distancing ourselves from real life, real world communities. The very nature of these technological advancement cries out for the goodness in men, cries out for the universal brotherhood. In the default mode, we are lucky to share that brotherhood as we are a multicultural country. We have different traditions that teach about quality life in different perspectives. We have different cultures and religions where we can share many different stories and celebrate almost all the festivals together. When everyone is together and when everyone is heard equally, it is so beautiful. Trust me. It's amazing. When everyone is together, we can stand up for what is right. We can fight for moral reasons. We can enforce laws and unenforced laws for moral reasons. We can destroy the poverty, not the poor people. We can build great things, godly, technologically advanced things. We can cure the disease. We can cultivate the world's greatest artists and the world's greatest economy. We can even reach for the stars. We can inspire other nations. We don't have to identify ourselves by for who we will vote for the election, and we don't have to scare so easy. But the first step to achieve all this greatness is to live together as Sri Lankans, work together as Sri Lankans beyond our cultural, lingual, and religious differences. I am Antru Anthonisamy and I am a proud Sri Lankan. Thank you so much.